Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The photography and videography world is heating up as Nikon gears up to launch the highly anticipated Nikon Z7 III, a mirrorless powerhouse set to redefine imaging standards. With competition from Sony's upcoming Alpha 2, photographers and filmmakers alike are eager to see which flagship model will reign supreme. If you're looking for a high-performance mirrorless camera, this deep dive into the Nikon Z7 III specs, pricing, and release date will help you decide if it's worth the investment. Nikon Z7 III release date and availability. Speculation is rampant regarding the official release date of the Nikon Z7 III. Leaks suggest that Nikon is in the final phases of testing, with an expected announcement between August and November 2025. Nikon has maintained secrecy about the exact date, but insiders report that the camera is nearing completion. Meanwhile, Sony is also preparing to unveil its flagship Alpha 2, which is likely to launch in late 2025. Both cameras promise cutting-edge technology, leaving photographers and videographers wondering which model will dominate the market. Nikon Z7 III sensor and image quality. One of the biggest selling points of the Nikon Z7 III is its high-resolution sensor. According to leaks, the camera will feature a 61+ megapixel sensor, possibly developed in collaboration with Sony or TowerJazz. Some sources even hint at a 67 megapixel variant, making it an excellent choice for landscape, portrait, and commercial photographers who demand maximum detail. In contrast, the Sony Alpha 2 is rumored to retain a 50 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor. While this means it won't match the Z7 III's sheer resolution, the stacked design allows for faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and better low-light performance. If you prioritize speed and dynamic range, Sony's approach might be more appealing. Autofocus and AI enhancements. Both Nikon and Sony are incorporating advanced AI-driven autofocus into their latest models. The Nikon Z7 III is expected to offer 493 autofocus points, enhanced AI-powered subject detection, and superior real-time tracking for humans, animals, and fast-moving objects. Sony, on the other hand, has been a leader in autofocus innovation. The Alpha 2 is rumored to feature a dedicated AI processing unit, capable of tracking birds, insects, vehicles, and dynamic motion scenes with unmatched accuracy. If autofocus precision is your top priority, Sony's advancements may give it the edge. However, Nikon has made major strides and is expected to greatly improve tracking performance over its predecessors. Burst shooting and shutter speed. For sports, wildlife, and action photographers, burst shooting speed is a crucial factor. The Nikon Z7 III is rumored to shoot at up to 20 frames per second, a noticeable improvement over its predecessor. However, Sony's Alpha 2 could take things a step further, boasting a 30 FPS burst rate with superior motion tracking. If your work involves fast-paced action, the Alpha 2's faster burst speed and stacked sensor technology might be the better choice. Video capabilities. 8K, 4K, and Pro features. Both cameras promise cutting-edge video capabilities, making them appealing to filmmakers and content creators. The Nikon Z7 III is expected to offer 8K video at 30 FPS, 4K video at 60 FPS, 10-bit ProRes RAW recording. Sony's Alpha 2, however, could introduce even more advanced cinematography tools. While it will also support 8K video, rumors suggest it will include dynamic active stabilization, breathing compensation borrowed from the Sony ZV lineup, AI-assisted video tools. For handheld videography, Sony's stabilization system and AI-powered tools could provide an edge over Nikon's ProRes RAW advantages. Stabilization and low-light performance. Stabilization is a game-changer for handheld shooting and low-light photography. Reports indicate that Sony's Alpha 2 will feature an 8.5-stop IBIS system, which would be an industry-leading improvement. The Nikon Z7 III is also expected to introduce enhanced IBIS, but leaks suggest it might not reach the same stabilization levels as Sony. For videographers and low-light shooters, Sony's superior stabilization system could be the deciding factor. Build quality and ergonomics. Both cameras are expected to feature rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy bodies for professional durability. The Nikon Z7 III will likely retain its classic ergonomic grip, tilting touchscreen, and dual-card slot CF Express Plus SD UHS-2. The Sony Alpha 2, however, could introduce a refined grip for better handling. A new EVF with 9.44 million dots. An upgraded multi-angle touchscreen LCD. 4 long shooting sessions. Sony's ergonomic improvements might offer better comfort, while Nikon will stick to its trusted design philosophy. Connectivity and workflow efficiency. Fast and reliable connectivity is essential for professionals. The Nikon Z7 III will feature 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C for quick file transfers. Sony's Alpha may go a step further with 5 GHz MIMO Wi-Fi, 2.5G Ethernet support, faster USB-C speeds for tethering and live streaming. If high-speed workflow efficiency is your priority, Sony might have a slight advantage. Battery life and longevity. Battery performance is crucial for long shooting sessions. The Nikon Z7 III will likely feature an improved ENEL15 series battery, offering greater efficiency than its predecessor. Sony's Alpha 2, however, is rumored to introduce a high-capacity battery, potentially extending runtime beyond the Alpha 1. If you need extended battery life without frequent recharging, Sony's improvements could make a big difference. Which camera should you choose? If you prioritize unmatched resolution and stunning image detail, the Nikon Z7 III is an excellent choice for studio, landscape, and commercial photographers. If speed, AI autofocus, and video performance are key for you, Sony's Alpha 2 offers superior autofocus intelligence, burst speed, and stabilization. For filmmakers, Sony's AI-driven video tools and advanced IBIS may be more appealing. But Nikon's ProRes RAW is a huge advantage for post-production flexibility. Both Nikon and Sony are set to redefine mirrorless technology with their upcoming flagships. Which camera are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more photography tech insights. Stay tuned for more updates right here on Techno Trend Zone.